Hello, everyone out there. Now I'm going to do a video on how to play solitaire because actually there was a student learner that I had that was really interested in my solitaire playing. So I'm going to uh uh show how to play solitaire. I tend to like the classic solitaire Klondike one. Okay, they're rolling it out now. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, six. Okay, six. Okay, let's see if there's anything else I can do here. Yes, I can move this here. Okay, I can move this here. And you may see the sense to what I'm doing here. I can move this here. I can move these here. I can move this here. I can move this here. I can actually move these here. What else? Yes, I can move this here and then move these here and then move that there and move this here. If you want to try and get your kings up at the top there, I can move that there. Okay, that's six. I can bring down and see what the next card is. An ace. Okay, so you want to embed your aces. Okay, you get points for that. Okay, and then what else can I do? Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, I can move that there. Okay, let's see what else I can do. Yes, I can move that there. Okay, I can move that there. And okay, I need a 10. Okay, let's keep going here. Another 9. Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, an ace you can embed. Okay. And let's see what else there is. A king, that's a good one. That's a good one. Um if I had space for it. Any sevens, I can move that around. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back to that one. Okay, good. There's a 10. I needed that. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put this jack there and then this 10 there and move these 9s here. Okay, so now I have a 2, move that there, bring the king down and um uh okay, okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, I'll see what else there is. A 7. Okay. Okay, a 2. A 2. Okay, but I can't. No, not yet. Okay, a jack. Okay, I can move that there. And then move this here. Okay, and then let's see, a 2, a 2, a 2, a 2. Okay, okay, an ace, okay, of hearts. Okay, so I can move the 2 of hearts there. Okay, okay, another jack that would go there. Could use another 10. 7, what can I do with that 7? Okay, nothing at the moment. Okay, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, I don't see anything I can do with that at the moment either, but that's good. I got that all lined up. Okay, so I can actually move the 2 of diamonds there and the 2 of clubs there. And I think the 2 of spades is there. I just you can't put it back. Oh yeah, I can put the 3 there. I can put the 3 of diamonds there. Okay, let's see what else there is. I can put the 4 clubs there. And then I could have brought that 4 down. Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, now I see a 10. 10 black. Okay, so I can bring that there. Then I can finally bring all that down. Okay, a jack, red. Jack red, so I need a queen black. Okay, so let me just bring this 5 over. And okay, let's see what else. Okay, 4 diamonds. 4 diamonds. I'd need a 5 black. Okay, queen, I can bring there, and then I can bring that there. And then I can move that over. Okay, so then now I have 5 of diamonds. And just bring that over. And okay, 10 black. 4 diamonds. Okay, 2s anywhere. Okay, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, not yet. Then 10 black. Okay. All right. 10 black. Okay, so let's shuffle that again. Let's get that back there. Okay, okay. I think there is a way to reshuffle that. But maybe not. Okay, so 4, 4, 9, queen. I think there is a way to reshuffle that. I'm sure there is. Yeah, that's the way. Okay. 9. Okay, so that's a 9 black. And let's see, 9 red. Okay, so that's helpful there. Then I can bring that all down. Okay. Want to make sure you have space. That helps. So that's 3 of hearts and 4 hearts there. So that reveals that. And okay, so 9 black. Okay, 7 black. Okay, 4 black. 4 clubs. I can bring that there. Okay. And then 4 clubs. 2, any 2s. Okay, let's see the king. Okay, so the king I can bring there. Queen I can bring there. Okay, so 2 of clubs is there. 3 of clubs is there. Okay, is there 4 clubs? 4 clubs. 5 of clubs. 5 of clubs, 5 of spades. There are 4 diamonds here. 5 of hearts. 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts. 7 of hearts. 6 of clubs. Okay, all right. 7 of clubs. Okay, 7 of hearts. Okay, okay, let's get this here. Okay, let's get that there. Okay, now we got space. Okay, it's the way we want to have it all set up. So we can bring that 9 there. Okay, let's see, free up the space for diamonds. Okay, 8. 8, 8 we can actually bring there. Okay, so that's solved. And 9 of hearts. Do we have 9 of hearts? 8 of clubs. 5 of diamonds. Then 6 of diamonds. And 6 of clubs. And 7 of clubs. And 9 of, I think, spades. This is clubs. And 7 of diamonds, 8 of diamonds, 9 of hearts, 8 of spades, 9 of spades, 10 of spades, 10 of hearts, 9 of diamonds, 10 of diamonds, jack of spades, jack of diamonds, queen of diamonds, 10 of clubs, jack of clubs, queen of spades, jack of hearts, queen of hearts, queen of clubs. Okay, so then we're getting ready for the last one. And then this is when the dancing music will start. So king of hearts, king of clubs, king of spades, and king of diamonds. I hope I'm sharing my sound. I'll share my sound now so you can hear it. Kind of cool, eh? Kind of cool. And just like when I'm playing Kahoot, I like it when it's pretty much done. But this can go on forever. This can go on forever. So my score was 700 usually, and that's just level 1. And you can keep playing. You can keep playing and playing and playing, and then it makes it more difficult. So it makes it more difficult when you keep playing. So yeah, you can gain more points and stuff like that. It's pretty fun. Enjoy. It's like easy game you can find on your computer.